Today I have a planner flip through of my June planner. So I am in the personal size Webster's Pages Buffalo Plaid planner. And then I just have this tassel from Cocoa Daisy and a little charm that I got from Hobby Lobby. So let's just dive on in. So on the pockets, I just have some tab stickers and then washi tape that I could use for like on the go. I usually wrap my washi tape around like one of the packaging Cocoa Daisy cards. It works really well for that. And then I also like to add like a little dashboard card. This one says, "There's nothing in nature that blooms all year long, so don't expect yourself to do so either." So just a friendly reminder throughout the month. Then I have the poppy paper clip, and this card is from the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. And then I made this little pocket, which is really good for keeping like receipts or little notes, tidbits, things like that. And I used the 12 by 12 Cocoa Daisy exclusive paper, and then I just added some stickers and die cuts to decorate it in a little paper clip. Then I have the acetate used as a dashboard that I cut down, and I really just wanted the quote, "Here comes the sun." And then I have my Wonder Woman paper clip, and then another 12 by 12 paper that's cut down to fit into my personal size planner. So then we just dive on in to June, and I have my month at the glance, and then I write down the Cocoa Daisy Planner Challenge. I've been really lazy with like printing stuff. I'm trying to get better at it, so I just write it. And I added a little tab that says, "Hello June." Then we're into like the boxes month at a glance. I don't know what you call it. Anyway, so I just did some quick decorating on it. This was when Edwin was leaving, so I thought it would be cute to add the sticker. I forgot the name of the shop for this. I think it's Stationery by Minnie. I'll put a link down below. And then the rest of the stickers are Cocoa Daisy, except this one. And then I don't really use this. I haven't figured out how I want to use it. So I just leave it empty. And then we have some vellum that came into this kit, which is really pretty. And then a June dashboard, and I added the sticker on the Planner Girl and another little floral die cut. I loved the poppies this month. They're so pretty. All right, and then this is just an envelope that you could stick like a dashboard in or whatever else you want to. Then I have my notes section where, yeah, this is where just like, I don't know why I put notes, but this is where my weekly spreads are. So this I use for school. I just put all my due dates there. And then this I usually use for like quick notes if I have any, either for school or just like ideas, things like that. And then it dives into my weekly spreads, which I just decorate really nicely and then just put highlights. I don't really use this for like actual functional planning. I use it more as memory planning. So memory keeping, fun things like that. And then I'll use this for like functional stuff. A lot of my functional planning I do on my phone. I just use the calendar app on my iPhone. Here I was just trying out some lettering and then some June goals. All right, again, some more decorating. So I used these box stickers are from that new Cocoa Daisy sticker kit. I'm absolutely in love with the sticker kit. It comes with all the stickers that you ever need. And such a great add-on to all of the other planner kits. And then it just repeats. So I still have to catch up on last week and this past week, which I write down like quickly like what I did, like highlights, so I can go back and add to it. I need this little bookmark. I cut down one of the memory keeping pocket cards so it could fit into these 3 rings, and then I punched that, added Simon because Simon's so cute, a little paper clip, and a currently tab, so that way I knew like that's where I was for the week. And this was stuck on my Post-its, stickies. Again, a little dashboard. I have daily to-dos, so if I have like a busy day that I want to do, I could use these and fill it out for a to-do list. And what is this? Oh, this I don't know why I didn't add anything. So this was just like fun little I don't know. I was playing with the stickers and it was goals. It's goals for the month, June goals, and then get stuff done, just like little things like that. And then I think I have notes there. And then, so these pages are cut from the Daisy Dory, the standard Daisy Dory, and added onto, right? Or are these extras? I'm trying to think. Yeah, these are cut, sorry. For notes or memory keeping, things like that, which I've been slacking on. Then, let's take this out. I have a bill section. I'm not gonna like dive into it, but this is just from any printables that I used. And then in the back of my planner, I take some of the notepad, not the whole notepad, so I still have like a good chunk of the notepad because I don't like my planner to be like that chunky, and I don't really use that much of it. So I added the paper clip and then the notes, so that's good for quick note taking. But that's pretty much my planner setup. Pretty basic. I'm still trying to figure out like what works for me, what doesn't, things like that. So that was my June planner, and then my July planner, I'm diving into the Webster's Pages Mustard Suede, which I'm excited about. I haven't really gone that far into it, but I will definitely show you at the end of the month what I do in this planner. So thanks so much for watching. I'll link down the stuff below. If you enjoyed this, comment down below, like it, you know what to do. Thanks so much. Until next time, bye.